हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम फिर से हिस्ट्री लेकर आ गए हैं। सेकंड पार्ट, चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट, बिगनिंग ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं रीडिंग को और समझते हैं इस चैप्टर को। नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड इन टाइम फ्रॉम अर्ली ह्यूमंस टू द लॉन्ग प्रीहिस्ट्रिक period known as the Stone Age. Charting the past, the Silent Age, because prehistory spans such a vast amount of time. Historians use a process called predation to organize it into manageable stage. The major stages are period time frame, lifestyle tools. Here's the diagram. Note that these periods overlapped in different parts of the world. Agriculture began earlier in some regions and later in others. This classification is primarily based on the types of tools humans used and the lifestyle they led. These stages, the paleo, Paleolithic, mm, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic, show a systematic progression from nomadic survival to the dawn of urban life. This period is often called the silent ages because of the absence of written documents. But the era is far from empty. Archaeologists found find voices in the cave painting in early humans. Here is the cave painting picture. Bimbekta in Madhya Pradesh. In India, Madhya Pradesh. Remain of ancient huts, burial ground, and rubbish heaps known as Midland Reserve reveal what early humans ate and how they organized their families. In India, the rock shelter of Bhimbekta in Madhya Pradesh serve a magnificent visual record. The painting found there they are depicting hunting scenes, dancing figures, and wild animals. Give us a direct look into the spiritual and daily lives of people who lived tens of thousands of the years ago. Amazing fact: some Bhim Bhimketka cave paintings date back to c. 30,000 BCE. The caves were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2003. The Paleolithic Age, the era of the hunter-gatherer, to 2 crore to 12,000 BCE. The Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age is the longest period in human story. During this time, humans lived in total harmony with the total on dependence on nature. They did not yet know how to grow up crops or build permanent houses. They lived they lived as hunter gatherer. This nomadic lifestyle meant they were always on the move, following animals herd or the seasonal cycles of wild fruits and seeds. They lived in small, highly organized groups called bands, usually consist of to 20 to 50 people. There was no concept of private property, and food was shared among members of the groups. Cooperation was essential for survival, specifically especially during hunting and protection from wild animals. Life in a nomadic band was highly cooperative. Every member who had a role, from gathering berries and roots to designing tools and participating in groups hunts. This division is labor ensured that the group's needs were met efficiently. For shelter, they relieved on what the landscape provided, such as natural caves or rock over overhangs, which protected them from predators and the elements. Perhaps the greatest achievement of this age was the controlled use of fire. Fire was more than just a source of warmth. It was too it was a tool for protection, a way to cook food for to make it safer and more nutritious. It was also a light source that allowed humans to extend their activities into the night. Think about it. Why do you think fire was considered one of the greatest discovery of early humans? How living a nomadic life have affected family and social relationships? Survival in the Paleolithic depends heavily on stone technology. Early humans used hard stones like flint and quetzal to create two types of tools. Core tools were made by chipping a large stone into a specific shape, like a hand axe for heavy duty tasks such as chopping wood. Flake tools were the sharp pieces of a stone used as knives or sculptures for cleaning animal skin. Important Paleolithic sites in India, such as the Hansgi Valley in Karnataka, have yielded thousands of such tools, proving that the Indian subcontinent was a vibrant hub of early human activities. Amazing fact. The Paleolithic age lasted for nearly 2 million making it the longest phase of human history. Second, some of earliest known stone tools date back to 2.6 million years ago in Africa. Let's explore. How was cooperation important in a hunter-gatherer band? How did the discovery of fire make early human life easier? Now, as the ice age ended and the climate began to change, human life also began to transform. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अगर आपको ये पार्ट अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारा पार्ट 3 देखने के लिए तैयार रहिएगा और लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। तब तक गुड बाय एवरीवन। और ये चैप्टर कुछ बड़ा हैगा तो इसके पार्ट शायद ज़्यादा हो, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक गुड बाय एवरीवन, बाय बाय।